Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I am going to show you lead generation made easy with an awesome tool called Paigham Bot. If the fuck is that noise? If you haven't heard of Paigham Bot and you haven't seen all the other videos on my channel about Paigham Bot, I encourage you to go look at those. But basically, it is a contact form submitter and a data harvester that will allow you to scrape data from websites based on certain keywords. Now the data that we want to collect are actually contact page URLs. However, since I've been using this tool for about 6 months now, I have a lot of data already. And one thing that I will say about Paigham Bot is that it'll force you to become an organized person. Like all of this, I made all of this, right? I created all these folders, I decided what to put where, and I'm not an organized person at all. However, when you're dealing with lots of data, you need to know, is it from this campaign? Is it from that campaign? You know, what are these keywords? What website did they come from? So we're going to use this list that I have of 3.3 million. And this is basically a list of combined contact pages that I built over about 6 months. It's very easy to use, okay? So all you do, you click on add, add URL list, post to URL directly. And then, okay, so first I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how I'm actually going to use the tool. So let's see, I think I'm on, let's see. Yeah, I'm on J now. So basically I've got 33 files here of 100,000 contact pages. Now, in my experience, these get about a 30-ish% success rate, which is not great, but then again, you know, I'm going to be contacting, if I run 3 instances, I'm going to be contacting, 90,000 businesses a day while I work on other things. So I'm happy with the 30% success rate, because even if I get 20 leads out of that, you know, and I'll get more than that, but even if that's all I get, I'm happy with that. Like 20 leads for what you'll see is essentially 5-10 minutes of work. Now, the campaign that I am going to be pushing traffic to is actually a ClickFunnels campaign. For those of you who don't know what ClickFunnels is, it is it's like Wix, but for sales funnels, right? So basically, it allows you to create opt-in pages and sales pages so that you could build an email list and sell products online very easily. Got a lot of templates here that are a piece of cake. So we're going to be pushing traffic to Marketing Secrets. And what this is a 2-page funnel that is it's a 2-page funnel. This is going to be the landing page. Let's check the stats actually on this for yesterday, because I did run a campaign yesterday and I haven't checked the stats yet, so I don't know how good it's going to be. But I think it's going to be good, because this campaign generally performs pretty well. So this is the landing page that people are going to see. We're giving away this book, Marketing Secrets Black Book. Looks nice and professional. All they have to do is enter their little email address and click this button. And then let's look at the stats. Where are my stats? Okay, so once they click on this, right, what that's going to do, it's going to take them to this website, themarketersblackbook.com. Okay, so 20% success rate, that is good. We'll check that in more detail in a second. But let's look at, what did I want to look at now? Okay, right, the thank you page. Oh no, just kidding, this page. This is supposed to send them. So basically what I want to see is I want to see where they're going to be sent after they click on, after they enter their email address. Because I want to track the link clicks that I get once they do that. And I guess technically I have that data, but let's see. All right. General. Okay, so this is sending them directly to the affiliate link, which is fine, but in my experience, it's better to send them to, it's better to send them to a URL that you're directly tracking. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link. We're going to paste it in here. This is a link shortener like bit.ly, if you guys know what that is. We're going to shorten that link. And we're going to copy that and paste it in there. Okay, oops, I don't want to save it as template. I just want to save it. Okay, now what that'll enable me to do, like if you take a look over here, it's a pretty cool link shortener because I'm able to see in real time who's clicking on my links, and it gives me just kind of a basic overview of stats, right? Now, like you can see here, I've already run this campaign other times before. I've gotten 209 clicks and 80 clicks, which just means that they're clicking this. This is the link, right? They're not visiting this site. It means I'm getting a lot of opt-ins on that, which is cool. Now that's from various campaigns. So once we have that, oh, and by the way, this is actually going to, I'll show you the page. I think I made another video about this, but it basically goes to a page that's pretty much identical. And it's essentially prompting them to download it again. So the idea is that they download it again, which is what I'm hoping. We'll see. Let's see here. Okay, so let's delete that and let's go back over here. See, it's loaded basically 99,000. And what we're going to do is we're going to deselect all of these. And we're going to go to the posting tab. Click on load setup. Now, I already have basically campaigns pre-written because I've run this campaign before and I saved it last time. But if you didn't, you would just enter all your information in here: name, email, phone, subject, blah, blah, blah. But what I've done is like I said, I've saved it so I don't have to do that every single time. These are all my campaigns. And this one is Elgos Jack. Save. You can do death by CAPTCHA, which is where if the contact form has a CAPTCHA, you know, where you need to like click a button or like pick which images contain crosswalks or something, you can do that. Now we're going to change this subject line. In my experience, the best way to get people to open your email is to ask them a question that they will answer no to. So, do you hate getting new clients? It's a ridiculous question. Who's going to say yes to that, right? It kind of goes against the opposite of what most people think. So then we're going to click start. I like to do 21 threads because my VPS is pretty badass. This is the VPS that I use that Paigham Bot sells as part of their pro marketing package. So if you want to do exactly what I'm doing, it's pretty simple. The only thing that you're going to need is a lot of contact page URLs. So if you don't have those, you can either, I think the Paigham Bot website sells them. I haven't sold this list yet because I run a lot of campaigns and I don't want to, like, you know, the more you market to the list, the lower it gets in quality. That's the theory, at least. I haven't actually seen that though. Like I hit the same list over and over with plenty of offers, and I've never had any problems. So I'm pretty stoked about that. But let's continue. All right, so after we take a look at this, I'll show you the stats for the yesterday's campaign. We'll take a look at that together. I'm expecting around like a 15% opt-in rate, even though it said 20%. But that data is from, that's over like a week. So I'm not sure how much of that is old versus new. Okay, let's change that. If you hate getting new clients, let's click on start. Boom. Easy money, baby, easy money. All right, so that is a piece o' cake. All right, let's look at these stats. Okay, so you can see this is from the 12th to the 19th. That's about a week. In a week, got 186 unique page views, or sorry, 186 page views, 172 uniques. Out of those, we got 37 opt-ins. Okay, that's a 20% opt-in rate. That's unreal. That's like insane. It's very good. And yeah, okay, so let's actually just check the past 2 days, which is what I believe I've been doing when I restarted this campaign. Okay, so that's still pretty good. 28.7% opt-in rate. That's like insane. Like you guys don't even understand. That's 30 additional people that I can market to. I can send them emails on a daily basis about, you know, whatever I want. It's crazy. Obviously, I'm going to try and sell them stuff. Anyway, that is the video about, what was this about? Lead generation services, maybe? Is that the keyword I'm targeting now? lead generation process. I don't know, Paigham Bot, it's the bomb for lead generation service. Like, it's easy, it's fast. All you need is a little bit of patience to build up your lists, and you get that by scraping, which I will do in another video right now and show you guys exactly how to do that. So if you guys liked the video, click like. If you didn't like it, click like anyway, and then comment if you have any questions or, you know, whatever, ask me something. Subscribe for more videos about making money online. Peace.